What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I worked 6 shifts in a row. Literally, I did a leg day workout and I laid out in the sun and I am exhausted. But I promised you guys I'd post a video today on the wildcard stocks in my previous video. And I own all 3 of them. One of them is beating the S&P 500. A lot of you guys are new to this channel, so I'm going to do a brief review on these 3 dividend stocks. These are excellent dividend growth stocks, and I absolutely love them. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button, and let's check these stocks out right now. That stock is Arbor Realty Trust, ABR. I have been buying shares with these guys like crazy, and I've showed you guys in my previous videos. I made it to 200 plus shares. These guys are sitting at 1642, and now I'm contemplating actually adding them to my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I'll show you why. They have a dividend yield 9.26%, PE ratio 8.43, the volume 2.46 million, market cap 2.63 billion. The year range is 1555 to 2074. Day range is 1632 to 1665, and its previous close was 1661. Let's do a brief overview on these guys. Arbor offers a total nationwide solution for your multifamily finance needs, including Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, bridge loans, and many other flexible options. So anytime I look at a mortgage-backed real estate investment trust, I see how is their revenue doing? How are these guys doing as a company? And already they're beating the S&P 500, which is already attractive. So a lot of people who I've met on Twitter or Instagram, a lot of people like putting these guys in their Roth IRA because, one, it's beating the S&P and it's a high dividend yield and it's a dividend growth stock. And I'll show you why. So this is in millions US dollars. So 2015 it was 142, 2016 it was 213, 2017 it's 346, 2018 it's 484, 2019 it's 535, 2020 it's 603.72, and 2021 it's sitting at 799 and 23 cents. Now, this is in millions of US dollars. Look at how much revenue they are generating. There's a little bit more we need to look into these guys. So here's some really good news. Arbor Realty Trust, ABR, Q1, FFO, and revenues top estimates. Arbor Realty Trust came out with quarterly funds of operations FFO of 52 per share, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 42 per share. This compares to the FFO of 31 per share a year ago. These figures are adjusted for non-reoccurring items. So remember, FFO is more important than PE ratio with real estate investment trust and REITs. But I'm going to tell you, in theory, if you see a low PE ratio on a mortgage-backed rate, you got to be careful. So that's one thing. Just be aware of that. But let's go over their dividend history real quick. Look at this beautiful dividend growth. This is 2012. It was 8 cents. Then it hit 10 cents. Then it hit 11 cents. 2013, 12 cents. Then 13 cents. Then 15 cents in 2015. 2016, it was at 15 cents, then 16 cents. 2017, it was at 18 cents. 2017, it was at 19 cents. 2018, 21 cents. Then 25, then 27. You see this little special dividend right here of 15 cents. Then you see 27, then 28, then 29, then 30, 31, 2020, then 32. And then they cracked 38 cents. Right now, annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 15.50%, which is really attractive. Annual dividend per yield, if you bought 1 share, you made $1.52. The dividend yield is 9.15%, and the payout ratio is 75%. That's not bad. And again, the number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 16. So that's why I own this stock and I'm long in them. I like the way things are looking with these guys. I like their business model, and their dividend hikes are fantastic. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years, 15.50%. That is phenomenal. Let's jump to the next dividend stock. I really like this one as well. Ready Capital Corp. That's another mortgage-backed real estate investment trust. It's sitting at $14.68. Dividend yield is 11.44%. The PE ratio 6.72. Volume 994.81K. The market cap is 1.68 billion US dollars. Year range is 1324 to 1678. Day range is 1456 to 1476, and its previous close was 1472. So So let's check these guys out. Ready Capital operates a diversified full-service lending platform with nationwide reach and local market expertise. Headquartered in NYC, they operate regional offices throughout the U.S. and employ loan professionals that serve all major markets. This is what they bring to the table: small business, multifamily, bridge financing, residential, fixed rate lending, and CMBS. So let's check out their revenue and their dividend history. So check this out. I want to go over a few things. So they completed a $542 million merger with Mosaic Real Estate Credit to expand the company's ability to provide full life cycle lending to small, balanced commercial properties. Total investments of $3.1 billion, including $2.2 billion of SBC originations and acquisitions, $769.1 million of residential mortgage loans, and $101 million of small business administration loans. They closed $1.1 billion of commercial mortgage collateralized loan obligation, company's largest CRE CLO to date. Raised $107.1 million in gross proceeds and underwritten public offering of a lot of shares of common stock. Declared and paid dividend of $42 per share in cash, with distributable earnings coverage of common dividend at 1.3 times. Net book value of $15.22 per share of common stock as of March 31st, 2022. Let's go over a few more things. So here's a few things I want to point out with these guys revenue wise. This is in millions US dollars. 2015, 148, 2016, 137, 2017, 138, 2018, 169, 2019, 229, 2020, 258, and then 2021, 403. That's very attractive. So we're going to go over one more thing. So here's a few things. Ready Capital Corporation on Thursday, this is May 5th, reported first quarter earnings of $63.5 million. On a per share basis, the New York-based company said it had a profit of 66 cents. Earnings adjusted for non-reoccurring gains came to 48 cents per share. The results missed Wall Street's expectations. The average estimate of the three analysts surveyed by Zacks Investment Research was for earnings of 59 per share. So the REIT posted a revenue of $124.4 million in the period. It adjusted its revenue to $63.4 million, also missing the street's forecast. Three analysts surveyed by Zacks is expected at $71.5 million. So, it's a little iffy, but I'm going to show you a few things about their dividend history that I really like. These guys are kind of a new kid on the block, but let me show you. 2018, they hit 40 cents. 2020, they jumped down to 25 cents. You can blame the pandemic. Then 30 cents. Then right here at 35 cents and 30, then 10 cents. And all of a sudden, they jumped up to 42 cents. So they have a pretty decent dividend hike. Payout ratio is 73%. Number of dividend increases in the past 5 years is 4. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years is negative 0.19%. You can blame the pandemic. Annual dividend per year is, if you bought one share, you made 168, and it's 11.41%. It's a little high right now, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm just going to continue to buy this dividend stock and get those nice dividend hikes, potential dividend hikes. And again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description, but I like their revenue increases, and I like the way they're improving their dividend and growing their dividend. Let's jump to the final dividend stock. And how can you say no to Altria stock? It's sitting at 54.09, a dividend yield of 6.66%, a PE ratio of 32.95, volume is 10.34 million, the market cap is 97.93 billion US dollars. Its year range is 42.53 to 57.05. Its day range is 53.51 to 54.35. And its previous close is 54.43. So let's jump to the revenue real quick, because a lot of people don't think they're doing too hot. So this is in millions US dollars. 2015, it was 25,434. Then it was 25,744 in 2016, 2017, 25,576, 2018, 25,364, 2019, 25,110, 2020, they cracked the 26,000 mark, 153, and 2021, 26,013. They still cracked the 26 mark. But one thing, again, people are going to smoke. People don't care. That's the big thing that Altria brings to the table. It's a sin stock, and people like to smoke. They don't care. They're going to smoke anyways. And let's jump to the dividend history. And this is a thing I love about this dividend growth stock. So let's start with 2017. It was 61 cents. 2018, it cracked 66 cents. Then it cracked 70 cents. And then 2019, it cracked 80 cents to 84 cents. Then 2020 to 86 cents. 2021, it was still 86 cents. And then it cracked the 90-cent mark in 2021 and 2022. The payout ratio is 77%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 6. Annualized dividend growth in 5 years is 7.42%. Annual dividend is $3.60 with a 6.61% dividend yield. So if you bought one share, you made $3.60 per year. Let me know what you think of this video. If you are new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. I will be posting a video tomorrow on my dividend income and how I did in May. So make sure you check that out, and you got to hit that notification bell. And you guys have a great Tuesday. Because gosh, that's what happens when you're like, work 6 shifts in a row, because I worked Memorial Day. All right, you guys take care.